Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add friends to your Steam account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right here, Steam, click friends, and now you're gonna see it here. So I have incoming requests here, but I can see the right here, add a friend, the small button, add a friend, and now this is my friend code. You can copy it and just like send it to someone or enter a friend code. So if you have a friend, he needs to give you the code here and you will just write it. Or you can set a quick invite, or you can try to search for a friend. So I can just search for someone like this is my friend and we are already friends. This was my friend for years, guys. This guy, hidden, we were playing a game, Counter-Strike 1.6. I got like over 3,000 hours, and he was my best friend. But he's like working in Austria now, and you got no idea how important this person is to me. There are two people that helped me when I was bullied at school, and I came home and I was playing games with them. Counter-Strike 1.6, Warcraft 3 on Garena, tower defense games. Oh my god. And he means a world to me. And if he would need anything from me in life, I would help him so much. Anything. I would gladly help him with everything he needed. Because that's how important he is to me and to my heart. And I'm not gay or anything, but this is completely deep friendship I have with the person that he helped me when I was really down, when I was 14, 15, 16. So yeah. And this is how you can add friends. And guys, like, friendship is the most important thing you can have in the world. More important than, I think, having a wife, a girlfriend, or a kid. Trust me. Just build a friendship and just really work on your friendships. Like, take care of it like you would take the flower. Or you can copy the link and do it like this. And you can invite someone. But you can also actually search for someone or enter the friend code that he needs to give you. But yeah, take care of your friendships. Really do it. And have a talk with your friends if you like being with your friend. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.